Hello everyone! Welcome back to Writing Tutorials. If you are applying for a loan, the bank may ask you to explain any large or unusual deposits in your account. Instead of raising concerns, a clear explanation letter helps you prove that your funds are legitimate and properly documented. In today's video, we are going to learn how to write a letter explaining large bank deposits. Let's get started. Contact information. At the top of the letter, include your full name, home address, email address, and phone number. This follows standard business letter format and helps the bank easily identify you. This section is important because it keeps your letter professional and organized. Date. Next, leave a space and write the date. The date shows when the letter was written and is important for official records. In this example, we write May 2nd, 2026. Always use a complete and formal date format. Recipient's details. After that, include the loan officer's title, bank name, and address. For example, Loan Officer, First National Bank, 1200 Market Street, Chicago, IAL 60602. This shows that your letter is directed to the correct person and institution. It also adds a professional and personalized touch. Subject line. Now let's move to the subject line. Write. Subject. Explanation of large bank deposits. Keep it clear and direct so the reader immediately understands the purpose of your letter. Salutation. Next is the greeting. Write. Dear Loan Officer, always include a comma and keep the tone formal and respectful. Introduction, paragraph. Now let's start the first paragraph. I hope this letter finds you well. This is a simple, polite opening that sets a professional tone. I am writing to provide clarification regarding several large deposits reflected in my bank statements, which were submitted as part of my recent loan application. Here, you clearly state why you are writing. You're directly addressing the bank's concern, which is very important. Never be vague in this part. Overview of deposits. The deposits in question primarily consist of funds received from legitimate and verifiable sources. This sentence works as a reassurance. Before giving details, you're already telling the bank that everything is valid and explainable. First deposit explanation. On January 15, 2026, a deposit of $12,500 was made into my account, which represents proceeds from the sale of my personal vehicle, a 2018 Toyota Camry. Notice how this sentence includes the date, the exact amount, and the source. This level of detail is very important because banks look for clear, traceable transactions. Documentation of the sale, including the bill of sale and transfer of ownership, is attached for your review. Now you support your explanation with proof. This is what makes your letter credible. Second deposit explanation. Additionally, on February 3, 2026, a deposit of $8,000 was credited to my account. Start by clearly identifying the transaction again. This amount was a monetary gift from my parents, John and Linda Anderson, intended to support my home purchase. Here, you explain the source and purpose. Mentioning names and purpose makes it more believable and transparent. A signed gift letter from my parents confirming that these funds are not a loan and do not require repayment is included with this letter. This is very important because banks need to confirm that gifts are not hidden debts. Third deposit explanation. Another deposit of $6,750, dated March 10, 2026, reflects income earned from freelance consulting work I completed for a small business client. Again, clear structure, date, amount, and source. Although this work was conducted outside of my primary employment, it was legitimate and properly documented. This sentence is important because it prevents suspicion. You're addressing a possible concern before the bank even asks. Copies of the service agreement and payment receipt are also enclosed. And once again, you provide proof. Always back up your claims. Assurance paragraph. I would like to assure you that all funds deposited into my account are from lawful and transparent sources. This reinforces trust and summarizes your explanation. I understand the importance of financial verification in the loan approval process and am fully committed to providing any additional documentation or clarification if needed. This shows cooperation and professionalism, which banks really value. Closing paragraph. Thank you for your time and consideration. Simple, polite, and respectful. Please feel free to contact me should you require further information. This keeps the communication open and shows you are willing to cooperate further. Closing. Sincerely, Michael Anderson. A standard, professional way to end the letter. And that's how you write a clear and effective letter explaining large bank deposits. The key here is to be specific, transparent, and always support your explanation with documents. That's what builds trust and increases your chances of approval. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Writing Tutorials, and thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.